Good evening, students. In last period, we learned about the disease and prevention. Okay, and also we studied about the lifestyle diseases. Which are the lifestyle diseases? Obesity, diabetes, blood pressure. Okay, so today we start the new topic, means the disease due to food habits. The two types of diseases occur due to the food habits. So now we have to study second type, deficiency diseases. Deficiency disease. Deficiency means what? Insufficient supply of the nutrient. Diseases that are caused due to insufficient nutrients in diet. Means in our diet the deficiency or insufficient supply or insufficient nutrient is present because of our bad food habits. So this disease is caused due to the insufficient nutrient in diet, and these are called deficiency diseases. Okay, so on next page the table is given, and in that table the number of the diseases is shown, and also their causes, symptoms and sources. So now these diseases are discussed one by one. Okay, so first see kwashiorkor. The picture is also given here. The what type of these diseases look like in these pictures. See, this is the kwashiorkor. So these diseases is caused because of lack of protein. Lack of protein means when in your diet the protein is less or the amount of the protein is less, then this disease is caused. So that's why we should eat the food that rich in protein. We already studied in this lesson that the component of the nutrients, okay, in which food are the rich in protein. So this disease is caused due to the lack of protein. So what the symptoms? Swelling of stomach and legs. See, swelling of stomachs, that means the size of the stomach is large. Okay, stunted growth. Stunted growth means their growth is a short or less. Their growth is a less. Third one, discolored hair. Normally the color of the hair is the black, okay, but in that diseases the color hair is different, discolored. This is the symptoms of this disease. And what the sources of food to eat? So how you can prevent that disease? So we can prevent this disease by taking the protein in our diet. So what is the sources of the food to eat? First, pulses. Okay, pulse, the different type of pulses you should add in your daily diet. Egg, you also add egg in your daily diets. Meat and fish, because in that food the number of the proteins or more protein is present in that food, that's why you should take that food. Okay, this is the first disease, kwashiorkor, their causes, symptoms and sources. Sources means you prevention, how you prevent it. See, second is the marasmus. Marasmus, how this disease is caused? This disease is caused due to the lack of proteins and carbohydrates. Due to the lack of protein and carbohydrates. Symptoms: poor growth, means their height is not properly grow, means their bodies show the poor growth. Then dry and wrinkled skin, their skin is dry and wrinkled. Okay, means that the folded is of the you can see on that person. Third one, retarded mental growth, their mental growth also less. Okay, normal child's has a growth, mental growth is properly, but in case of this disease their mental growth is also retarded. So how you can prevent it? See, sources. How you should take the wheat, gehu. Okay, wheat means gehu, egg and sugar or potatoes. Potatoes, in that the carbohydrate is more. Wheat, in wheat also carbohydrate is more. Okay, egg, in egg there is a protein is present. That's why you should take that food in your diet. Otherwise, if in your bodies the proteins and carbohydrate is less, then the marasmus disease is caused. See, third one, night blindness. Night blindness means poor vision in dim light or at night. See, so how this diseases cause? Lack of vitamin A. Lack of vitamin A. If in your diet that vitamin A is less or deficient amount, so this disease is caused. So what the symptoms? Poor vision in dim light means at night generally or in a dim light this person is unable to see. Okay, and how will this prevent? विटामिन ए. अब हम उसको प्रिवेंट कैसे कर सकते कि जैसे कि जिस फूड में विटामिन ए ज़्यादा हो, उसकी क्वांटिटी एक्स्ट्रा हो, सो सच एज कैरेट, मैंगो, पपया, green vegetables. Okay, green vegetables, all that vegetables are included, that spinach. Okay, this is the all leafy vegetables you should take in your diet. So this is the prevention. Third one, lack of vitamin B. This disease, beriberi. See, beriberi disease is caused due to lack of vitamin B. So this person, what the symptoms of that person? Loss of appetite. Okay, loss of appetite, loss of weight and nervous disorder is the symptoms. उसका weight कम हो जाता है. Okay, nervous disorder means mentally disorder हो जाती है. Okay, then loss of appetite also is the symptoms, one type of. Now how you can prevent it? Vitamin B, you know in which food is present? The cereals. Okay, different types of cereals means dals, pulses, nuts, green vegetables are the sources of food to eat. So we can prevent that disease by taking the vitamin rich food in our diet. Then third one, scurvy. Okay, scurvy, this disease is generally caused due to the lack of vitamin C. Okay, in scurvy disease the bleeding gums, okay, losing the teeth means the teeth is fall, also the loss of weight. Generally teeth is fall generally in child, because their milk teeth is first fall and then permanent teeth will be grow there. But in case of that person in any age that loss of the our teeth, okay, loosening the teeth, their weight is also less. So how you can prevent? Vitamin C rich food such as the citrus fruits. Citrus fruits means lemon and orange. In lemon and orange the citric acid is present. This is why it is called citrus fruits. So this you should include in our diet, like amla. In amla also the vitamin C is present. Green vegetables also you should take in your daily diet, so you can prevent that scurvy disease. Okay, then rickets. See how this patient is look here. ricket. In that ricket, their legs is bent. Okay, bow-shaped legs. So this disease is caused due to the lack of vitamin D. Okay, lack of vitamin D. So what the symptoms? Soft and deformed bones. Their bones is no very soft. Okay, generally bones should be strong. Okay, but in that ricket disease, the bones is soft, and there that's why what happened? The shape of the legs is changes. Okay, if their growth is increases, but what happened due to the weight, their legs are bent. Okay, and how you can prevent that disease then? So generally, see, vitamin D rich food include in your diet. So which food is include? Cod liver oil. Okay, milk, egg yolk. It should be taken in your diet. Vitamin D. So this is the ricket disease. Then anemia. Anemia is also one type of deficiency disease. So in anemia what happened? Actually, that person feel the weakness, tiredness. Okay, so this disease is caused due to the lack of iron. If when in your diet the iron is less, then that anemia is called. Anemia means in your body the blood is less. Okay, the amount of body is less because iron is responsible to form the blood in our body. But whenever in your body the iron is less, then the persons feel the weakness, tiredness. Okay, so how you can prevent it? So you should add the spinach, figs, jaggeries, dates in your diet. Okay, jaggeries means what? Good. Dates, you know, khazur, spinach, palak. So you should take in your diet. Then goiter. Goiter is caused due to the lack of iodine. It is caused due to the lack of iodine. Generally in that person the thyroid is enlarged. Here in the neck, okay, there is a thyroid gland is present, but what happened due to the deficiency of iodine, this thyroid is enlarged and that person is physically and mentally growth is retarded. Okay, the physically and mental growth of that person is retarded. So this is the also one type of deficiency disease. So you should add in your diet iodized salt in your diet or seafood, because in seafood also the salt is iodine is more present, so you can prevent it. So this is the all are the deficiency disease, which are kwashiorkor, marasmus, night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, rickets, anemia and goiter. These are the deficiency disease. Then the last point of our that lesson is the food adulteration. Food adulteration. See, first of all we read this para. Food adulteration is a process of hampering the quality of food by either addition of low quality material or by extraction of valuable ingredient. Okay, so adulteration is done to increase the quantity of food item. Food adulteration is the process of hampering the quality of food. See, now what happen in market to increase the quantity of the food? The person or the shopkeepers add the low quality material in that. Okay, so this is the process of hampering the quality of the food by either addition of low quality material. So this is the increase. Adulteration increase the quantity of the food item, but adulteration are those substances which make the food product unsafe for human consumption, means is harmful to our body. Okay, so you should check the food before buying it. So addition of adulterant in food can lead to various allergy and diseases. Due to the food adulteration, the number of the diseases may be caused. So actually the food adulteration is illegal and person doing it is liable to jail and fine. So see, here chart is given. Chili powder, common adulterant, powder bricks. Generally in chili powder the powder bricks is mixed, okay, due to the for adulterations. Honey, in honey nowadays the honey is not pure because in that sugar solution is mixed, okay, that's why that honey is look the taste of the honey is like the more sugar in that. Milk, in milk generally detergent is mixed. इन द पाउच जो पैक मिल्क पॉकेट रहते हैं उनमें डिटर्जेंट्स जनरली मिक्स किए जाते हैं. कोरिएंडर पाउडर, इन कोरिएंडर पाउडर्स द पाउडर ब्रांड एंड sawdust that the adult common adulterant is may be add. In turmeric the dyes are added for adulteration because this colors looks like the turmeric. Ghee, in ghee that the vanaspati is a common adulterant. Vegetables oils, in vegetable oils castor oil and minerals oils. Vegetables and fruits that the coloring agents is used for that. See now apples, banana, to for that fruits generally coloring agents may be used. So food adulteration is the process of hampering the quality of the food, means their quality of the food is low due to the that adding the that adulterant. So it's the harmful to our body. Okay, so one times you revise that all diseases, read it carefully, okay, and read this lesson carefully. Their keyword is also given here, so read this keyword also. Okay, now here our this third lesson is finished. In next period I will send the questioning answer of that lesson.